In Read Naturally Live, there are many different types of comprehension questions after you've read the story. One type of comprehension question is a vocabulary matching, which is usually number 6. You see here in this example, there are 5 different definitions and areas to match the vocabulary word. So on the left here, the definition is to tell the difference. On the right, you click it, and then you'll see 5 choices show up. For each of the definitions, you will have the same 5 choices to match. It's one word per one definition. So you'll see they are all the same as we move down the list. So if we go back to the top, the definition says to tell the difference. And so I click here and I have the choices of distinguish, process, realize, receptors, and substance. If I'm not sure at this point which word is the best fit to the meaning to tell the difference, I can go back to the story over here, and the highlighted words are some of the vocabulary words. So for example, we have distinguish here and distinguish here. If I'm not sure what this means, I can click on it in the story, and it will bring up the definition. At this point, I can tell that distinguish is a match for this first definition to tell the difference. So I'll click on it, it'll pop up. Now I need to remember when I move on to the next ones that distinguish is not going to be a match because I've already used it. So the next definition is to figure out. So I know now I have left process, realize, receptors, or substance. So I know for this one to figure out means to realize. So I will click realize. The next definition is nerve parts. For this one, now I am not going to use distinguish or realize because I've already used that. So at this point, I have process, receptors, or substance left. I'm going to choose receptors because I know that nerve parts have receptors. If I didn't know, again, I could go back to the story and I can move the page, and here is the word receptors to click on. The next word is steps taken to do something. So I've already used my 3 words, so all I have left are substance and process. And so I'm going to choose process. And then the last one, a liquid, solid, or gas. I could just use process of elimination, which means I've already used these 4 words. So there I know now the only one left is substance. But if I want to make sure that substance is the correct word and that I have a deep understanding of what substance means, I'm going to go through the story and click here and double check. And now I say I know that a substance is a liquid, solid, or gas, and then I will choose that. Once all 5 words are matched, and then I can press next. I hope this helps you do better in the vocabulary matching section.